According to user @TechReeve, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra will only have one telephoto camera, rather than the two found on the current model. That may appear to be a downgrade, but the company is apparently replacing the 3x and 10x lenses with a variable zoom lens that can move from 3x to 10x. That means it will also be able to optically zoom to levels between 3x and 10x, such as 5x. On the current model, if you want to zoom to an in-between level, you have to make use of digital zoom. In fact, very few phones have variable optical zoom. The Sony Xperia 1 Mark IV does, but only between 3.5x and 5.2x. This extensive Samsung Galaxy S24 leak apparently wasn't enough for user @TechReeve. They've also shared some details about what to expect from the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. Apparently, the 50MP main camera used by the Samsung Galaxy S23 and the Galaxy S23 Plus will be retired, possibly to be replaced by a new Sony sensor. While we take all this with a pinch of salt, especially the Samsung Galaxy S25 details, TechReeve has accurately leaked things in the past, and other leakers have previously suggested that there could be significant changes to the S24 Ultra's telephoto camera. So if Samsung can pull this off, its zoom technology will be light years ahead of the competition, and we've already spoken about Apple's need to catch up in this department. That said, the wording of the tweet suggests that you'll be able to optically zoom at all levels between 3x and 10x. It's possible that they simply mean you'll be able to choose between 3x and 10x zoom with a single lens, in which case this may not be much of an upgrade. In any case, that's not the only improvement that the user @TechReeve has mentioned. They also claim that the Samsung Galaxy S24 series will have a new chipset, either the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 or the Samsung-made Exynos 2400. About the camera department, the S24 Ultra will apparently have the same 200MP ISOCELL HP2 main sensor as the S23 Ultra. Similarly, the Galaxy S24 and Galaxy S24 Plus will supposedly have the same 50MP ISOCELL GN3 sensor as the current models. Guys, do me a favor, go ahead and hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. While you're over there, hit that notification, because we're bringing you the latest and greatest in tech news on an almost daily basis, and you're not going to want to get left behind. Thank you.